How we doing? Next little quick combination is a double side kick, and that sounds mental to some people. Okay, most people use side kick as a standalone kick to create space or get in between you and your opponent, and it's a very much a go away, away. That's how a lot of people use it. They think of it as a defensive kick. Okay, I quite like it as a doubler, and I don't mean how I've been doing our other kicks, kick, drop, kick. Okay, I literally mean as a double kick, as in picking your leg up and side kicking twice. Okay, now I'm going to show you one way on the bag, and I'll show you another way in the air, because depending on what you're using this for and how you're using it, will depend on what, again, the footwork that goes with it. Okay, you notice I mentioned footwork a billion times through all my videos, but it is really important. Yeah, we do not stand still in freestyle. We do not stand still in sparring, we don't stand still in shadow boxing, we don't stand still when we're bashing a bag. Yeah, especially the standing one that you can move around. Yeah, don't just be tempted to stand here and only strike from one position. Get used to being in one spot rather than moving around a target, because your opponent is going to move. They're not going to stand still for you. Yeah. So this one is this. The one I'm going to show on the bag is, I do not mind if you step up, or you lean away, or you back leg, it's relevant. Okay. I do find how I'm going to demonstrate it in the air in a second better from a step up. Okay, I will highlight that now. Okay, but from here I'm doing a step up and I'm going to go 1, 2. Bottom of foot, 1, 2. Notice I did 2 height, body, chest. Yeah, we don't do side kicks to the face in our style. If you're out there and you do, fine, kick them in the face. Okay, but we don't. Okay, our head kicks are restricted to round kick and hook kick. Okay, but yeah, so you step in, you should 2. Yeah, just shallow chamber in between, you fold it up, 1, 2. Okay, double side kick is unusual. Okay, and yes, you do need to be quite quick and you need to be observant of what your opponent might be doing. But if you kick them in the body here and they drop their guard and immediately they pick it back up again, that second one should sneak underneath. Hey dog, what are you doing? You come to investigate? Yeah, I bet you have. Don't get under my feet. Okay? So when you're doing this double, we're going to step in and then you can put it down. After that, it's whatever you want. You can do your hands, you can do more kicks, you can think about that extra combination we did earlier. You could even do the double drop and pop into a hook kick. Yeah? 1, 2, and do that. You know, choice is yours. But that double is just a sneaky little combo, okay? Just for something that's a little bit extra, something that they might not be expecting. Okay, now, the thing I said about being here is if you're using it as a chasing technique or chasing combination, and I step to kick, that back foot, don't want to kick my dog, what are you doing? Go away. Okay, has got a bit of push left in it. Okay, so what you can do is you step in or you back leg it. Okay, I don't mind if you back leg kick in, but step kick's an easy one to demo. Is you do your first one and then push with your back leg to get the second one in. So you come in, okay, and it also means if they move back from the first kick, you're going to chase them with the second. Now I have seen certain competitions, things like that, and you watch people standing on one leg going, yeah, and they're shuffle kicking, and halves, and that's great if your opponent just wants to back off and panic. Okay, but if they plan their game plan fast and they can scoop your side kick fast enough, that scoop and reverse punch is going to catch you. So be careful with it. Yeah, it's not 100% foolproof defense tactic. Yeah, if someone's decent, they can time your kick. They'll just scoop it and punch you. Yeah, or scoop you a round kick over the top. Yeah, or just push your foot to the floor to make you lean forward and then back fist you in the head or something. Okay, timing's important. Okay, but just for this, I'm going to shuffle in and then shoot that double side kick. Okay, really shallow fold. Notice I'm not going here. Yeah, I'm not doing this business. Okay, for this, because it's a sparring technique, I need speed. Okay, I just want to kick, retreat, and then shoot the second one. Okay, that's the detail for today. A double side kick, not putting your foot down like the last combinations. A true double side kick, either on the spot, that double, or that little glide in the middle to cover a bit of space and chase them down. Yeah, something a bit different. Have fun.